Okay, good morning, dear viewers. Good morning or good afternoon, where you are. Greeting to you. So today's lesson is communication, and we're going to learn together how to greet people and how to introduce yourself and other people, and how to meet and what to say, greeting expressions, wordful expressions, and so on. So here we go. Greetings and farewells are the building blocks of any conversation. They set the tone, help you navigate different social settings, from a business meeting to a coffee catch-up with friends.
Here is a breakdown of the most common expressions in English.
Okay, for formal expressions, we can say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is professional and polite. It's a pleasure to meet you. Of course, this is used when meeting someone for the first time.
And for neutral expressions, we can say hello, hi. This is the easiest, simplest expressions. Say for almost any situation.
Okay, now we move on to informal expressions. Hey, what's up? And this is best for friends or close colleagues. How's it going? This is a casual way to ask, how are you? But in a informal way.
And now we go to farewell. So we keep the same chart, but now farewell. The ending, how to end a conversation. So for formal, goodbye, have a good day or have a productive day. This is for professional and clear, to be professional and to be very clear. Next, we can say also, I look forward to our next meeting. And this is great for business follow-ups.
Okay, now we move to a neutral expression, which is take care. And this is warm and friendly.
Okay, and now for the informal expressions, we can say bye, see you, and this is quick and easy because it's one syllable. Bye, see you. Another one, catch you later, I'm off, and this is very casual. Implies that you will talk again soon.
Okay, now we move to time-specific greetings. In many cultures, greetings change based on the time of day. For example, morning, so it's from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. So it's almost 12 hours. So for midday to for midnight to midday. So this is the time when we meet somebody, we say good morning.
All right, we move on to another expression, which is afternoon. It starts at the time of 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., 6 p.m. It depends. It depends on sunset time, okay? If it is a short day, it will be up to 5 p.m. If it is a long day, for example, in summer, it will be 7 p.m., 7:30. It depends on sunset time. We say good afternoon.
All right, so at the time of sunset, we start saying good evening.
Okay, as we said, since the time of sunset, we can start saying good evening until midnight. Whenever you meet somebody between sunset and midnight, you say good evening. All right? Night. So it's for leaving the people or going to sleep. It's bedtime. You say good night. Note, good night is almost always a farewell, not a greeting, right? So it's not a greeting expression. It's not like others. is unlike the other expressions. It's not for greeting. You only use it when you are leaving someone or going to bed.
Here is a quick tip. When meeting someone for the first time in a professional setting, it is often better to wait for them to set the level of formality. So to avoid, of course, embarrassment. If they say hi, you can respond with hi or hello. All right, now we'll go to short examples of conversations. All right, so the first example is for introducing myself. Examples. Hi, I'm David Walter. Please call me Dave.
Nice to meet you, Dave. And what's your last name again?
Walter. Walter.
Okay, now practice this example of short conversation with one of your friends and try to introduce yourself. Try it as much as possible with different people.
Now we move on to a second part, introducing people.
John, this is Fred, my new friend.
Pleased to meet you, Fred.
Nice to meet you, John.
Okay, now for practice. Practice this conversation in groups of 3 people and try to change roles and even people for better practice. Okay, so now to conclude the video, as a conclusion, greeting people and introducing self and other people. Nice to meet you. Good to meet you. Please call me Bob, call me John, call me Chris. If it is a long name, we can choose a good nickname. How do you do? How do you do is not a question. It is a special expression. It's like nice to meet you. We can answer by repeating the same expression. How do you do? Or hello, nice to meet you, pleased to meet you. I want to introduce you to another person. I'd like you to meet, I would like, a short form for I would like you to meet somebody, etc. So practice often. So by practicing, we become better.
Hello guys, please I need you to subscribe to support our educative channel and encourage us to go on. Besides, leave some likes and beautiful comments like you. Furthermore, why not sharing our videos to different contacts of yours? Take good care of yourselves and see you soon as followers to zankinglish. Bye.
Bye-bye.